few days ago, I've discovered that there's gonna be another wave on the Super Dragon Ball Heroes series. And the name of it is gonna be the Meteor Mission. And to top it all off, we got a huge glimpse at the new antagonist. And that guy is named, and his name is Ozotto from Super Dragon Ball Heroes. To be honest, well, this was my first time looking at Ozotto as well. Now then, let's get started on drawing him, shall we? From what I saw in the trailer, Ozotto has three eyes. He's got this green helmet. Basically, this guy is a Triclops. It's like a Cyclops, but with three eyes. Anyways, here are the teeth. Here are the horns. Here are the horns. Here's his neck. I don't know what the Meteor Mission's gonna be, but it's gonna be so amazing. Hopefully they have their own there's gonna be a new anime. And I saw that Cumber was gonna be the first one to fight him.
And then at 9 o'clock, that quarter to 9, I woke up and saw it. Did you probably see my sheet there? Yeah. Nothing to lose anything? No, I don't think so. I tried buzzing this to see if they leave it on. I want to be like Chris. Right.
Here's his hands. Now here is the lower half.
Boys and girls, welcome to the new TWM Championship.
I'm so excited! Ready to see this David and Goliath style action!
That's right, Colonel. This will be a David and Goliath style fight. Instead of a normal equal fighter versus equal fighter, this one's really got a big scale in between the two fighters' skill levels. But let's take a look and see who we've got going up against each other, shall we? The last Viking is known to be one of the most brutal, nefarious Sinistras around. While he couldn't land a hit on Knockout Ninja for the first 2 rounds, he was able
There's
to
his
beat
fingers.
him and knock him down using his own arrogance against him. In the quarterfinals, the Lost Vikings squared off against Buckshot, the AF Moose. After insulting Pierre's cooking skills, he proved that gastronomy is no match
Here's
for
his
brute
fingers.
force. And in the semifinals,
You know, for some reason, this guy looks a lot like a Deborah.
19G through sheer rage and confusion, using his love
Yeah.
and technology
You know, like the
knowledge
Demon
in his
King.
own favor.
I always thought that this guy was Deborah. Just imagine Cumber and Deborah going head to head. That'd be an awesome fight to see.
I bet you're really excited, see, given the fact that you're heavily favored against your opponent.
In my mind, the Sinisters have already won. This little pipsqueak going up against me has no chance. Senator Skull will take over the TWF. There is no way you can stop us now.
I had a feeling you'd say that, see. Hey, I got a question for you, Mr. Lost Viking about the boat. Because you got king in your name, and you're a Viking, does that mean you're a king or not?
What are you trying to say? Are you insulting my intelligence or my rank order?
No, I'm not doing that, see. I'm only making a joke.
A joke at my expense? Oh, to shoot up make fun of the next TWF champion?
There we are.
I was only kidding, but you didn't give him a match.
Poor doors open.
What do you think that's bad? Get Ozotto with his opponent costume all the time.
That's right, Colonel. Let's take a look at the Lost Vikings' dexterous opponent. Ouch has never been the strongest.
Here's
member
his
of the mighty
toes.
ever, at all. So one wonders how we even got to the championship. He squared off against Billy That Boy in the qualifiers and was actually pretty easily able to subdue him.
Of course, Billy That Boy couldn't even beat his own shadow.
But what was a surprise was when Ouch was able to beat the Amoeba by literally chewing her up and spitting her out, not to mention something on his own vomit. And in the semifinals, Senator Skull actually lost to Ouch. To be fair, it was because he got too greedy when he
Here's
was
his tail.
But still,
Looks more like a Cell or Janimba tail.
now Dorsal, how's your interview with Ouch going?
So, Ouch, no one really thinks you can win this, see? How does that make you feel?
Well, it doesn't make me feel very good. I'd like to know that at least someone believes in me.
Ouch! Yeah, keep tripping like that, see? No one's really gonna buy into you being the next champion.
It's not like you're one to talk.
There's his
You only
lid.
wrestled once and then you became a commentator. Are you even still a mighty Dextera? Or are you some kind of coward that backed out?
See, the thing about that is, back to you, Dick.
You know, I wondered the same thing myself. I kind of wish you would have answered that question.
Enough of talking about Ozotto. On to the clashes.
Ladies
There we
and
are.
gentlemen, in this corner, he's frail but good-hearted. He's cowardly but somehow also courageous. He's a little bit of a contradiction there. Wrestling for the mighty Dexteros, Ouch! The real underdog of that wrestling. No one ever would have thought that Ouch would get this far.
And done. There he is. That's how you draw Ozotto from Dragon Ball. I'm really amped to see the new Ultra. I'm really amped to see the new Meteor mission. Hope I get to see him. It's gonna be so exciting. Anyway, that's all for now, guys. Good night.